Yo, what is up, guys? Today I'm back with a little bit of a different video. I wanted to show you guys how you can basically turn Claude into a junior creative strategist now with Apify's new MCP that recently came out. So if you're not familiar with Apify's MCP, I'll link this right here. But you can basically now, with Apify's MCP server, basically just port all of the actors that are available inside of Apify and put them inside of Claude. So you can just run all of the different actors right here inside of your Claude app instead, which is amazing. So you have all of the context and all of the data from all of the different apps that you want right here, and you can just port them right into Claude. So for example, if I just pull up Claude right here, and then we just tell it that we want to scrape this YouTube video plus the comments, and I want to grab any interesting marketing insights that we can use for ads and paid marketing campaigns. We should ideally pull specific quotes or phrases, desired outcomes, add angles, trigger events, and more. And then here's the URL. And then I'm just going to pull this video from Huberman and Clips about hydration and how much water to drink each day. We just paste that into Claude right here, and then you'll see right here under the tools that we have all of these actor MCP servers right here. So I've already installed tons of them. You can see that we have an Instagram scraper, TikTok scraper, YouTube scraper, and so on. And that's just a couple that I've installed as of right now. You can basically, as I mentioned, install any that you want that are compatible with the MCP. But let's just run this, and then we'll see how the output turns out. So right off the bat, you can see right here that it is pulling the video using the YouTube scraper Apify tool or actor. So you can see that we have the one video right here. And now Claude via Apify is now scraping this video. And now that's done. And now it is using the YouTube comments scraper tool or actor inside of Apify to scrape all of the comments underneath this YouTube video. You can see that we have a maximum of 100 comments scraped, and now we are just basically pulling all of that data. This might take a second, so I'll just pause the video until we're back. All right, we are back, and we have now scraped all of the comments as well as the YouTube video itself. Now you can see that Claude is basically spitting out all of the data that we requested. So we have the video overview and the title. We have some key marketing insights and ad opportunities right here. So like being science-backed with precision, authority building, specific quotes for ad copy based on this video. We have problem agitation. We have solution frameworks. It suggests top ad angles, formula angle, performance killer. So I mean, this went way above even what I asked it. I just asked it for like some ad angles and some, some basic stuff, but it's gone in pretty detailed here. I mean, like comment analysis, customer pain points, desires, multiple mentions about like 80 ounces always seems to way too high for me in terms of like how much water they're drinking. Interesting. Simplicity desire, can someone just post the answer? Okay, that one wasn't super relevant. Practical application questions, alternative methods, trigger events and customer journey moments, feeling fatigue despite a good sleep, poor workout performance, confusion about conflicting hydration advice. Interesting. Yeah, the skin pinch or other test. I mean, you could definitely use this as kind of like a hook for a video ad. I mean, just like having someone pinch their skin. I can see that working really well. Some consideration stage triggers, decision stage triggers, product and service opportunities. I mean, this isn't obviously like great, but I mean, again, you can see just like the crazy amount of data and customization that's available, all working through Claude now, backed by Apify. So I mean, you have all of this, and then I mean, you could take it a step further. You could say, cool, now let's scrape TikTok for 10 relevant videos around electrolytes, and again, let's pull any interesting marketing insights we can find for our paid ad campaigns and ad angles. And again, I'm just basically just like freestyling these prompts, right? So you definitely want to plan this out even further in terms of like how you prompt engineer, if you will, Claude, based on the data that we want to scrape from Apify. But again, we're now using the TikTok scraper right here, and then we are scraping for these keywords: electrolytes, electrolyte drink, hydration, liquid IV, sports drinks, and then we're pulling 10 videos, and then we'll see what comes back. I'll pause the video and I'll be back in a second. All right, that took about a minute, and you can see that we have now scraped the videos, and we now have the output populating right here. So we actually scraped 50 videos in total. We have the top performing content types and hooks, do-it-yourself recipe videos, okay. Hook patterns, top performing examples, key elements, educational content, winning ad angles and hooks, DIY formula, cellular hydration angle, clean versus toxic, interesting athletic performance angle, cool, primary demographics, athletes, wellness moms, health conscious millennials, interesting. We're pulling converting phrases and copy elements. If I drink water, I'm just running to the bathroom all day. I mean, again, this is pretty solid. I mean, this literally took 2 minutes of work. So just imagine like how much time you could be saving using tools like this just inside of Claude, and just like literally pulling all of this and then having it turn into like actual briefs and copy variations and whatever. I mean, yeah, I'm just blown away by how good this is. So yeah, I mean, getting top ingredient trends, product opportunities. I mean, this is super, super cool. So yeah, I just wanted to basically share this. I've been playing around with it a lot, and I think this is like really, really interesting for creative agencies, e-com brands, and yeah, people just like trying to automate a little bit of the creative strategy process. The only thing I wanted to highlight is that you do need to take into consideration the cost with some of these tools. I mean, none of them are super expensive, but like for example, this Instagram scraper tool right here is $1.50 per 1,000 results. So just make sure that you guys obviously check out the costs involved with any tool that you guys poured into Claude. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it, guys. Again, definitely don't sleep on this. I think this is going to be super, super helpful for a lot of businesses. So yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Peace.